RFK coming to the Commonwealth Court proceedings today late because of a canceled plane flight, his lawyers said. And as a result, the large majority of this hearing took place without him in the room, despite the fact that it is his candidacy that was at risk. So earlier today, this hearing focused on the residency of RFK Jr. and whether or not the New York address that he provided for his registration to be here on the ballot in Pennsylvania was valid or not. This had also been challenged in New York State as well. And the lawyers for the petitioners, the people that are challenging the residency, said that Pennsylvania has rules, regulations about who can be on the ballot, and they need to be followed. And they argued that in this case, RFK Jr. does not qualify based on the evidence they provided. They also took into question the number of signatures that he provided to get him onto the ballot here in Pennsylvania. Now, RFK Jr.'s lawyers were also in the courtroom today as well, arguing that he should remain on the ballot. They looked at some of the Supreme Court cases that they believe are ones that suggest he should be allowed to stay on the ballot and that Pennsylvania can't remove him from the ballot simply because it could affect voters in other states and whether or not they are able to select the candidate that best fits what they believe should be leading the country. Now, we did hear from the candidate briefly as he left the courtroom today. Again, he got here well an hour and a half late from when the proceedings started. Again, he said it was because of a canceled plane flight. You're going to hear more about what he had to say regarding the motivations he believes behind this challenge coming up later today here on WGAL.